Hi, I'm Sam Conselman, owner at Glenshaw Auto Service. At Glenshaw Auto Service, our mission is to provide you with the highest quality automotive maintenance service with the least disruption to your day. There are a lot of people who drop off their vehicle for maintenance or repairs and they hold their breath because they don't understand or know what happens once your vehicle gets pulled into the garage. It doesn't need to be that way. Glenshaw Auto Service invests in AutoVitals, a revolutionary program that allows and promotes complete transparency between service advisors, technicians, and you, the vehicle owner. AutoVitals allows the service advisors and technicians the technology to provide you with a comprehensive report including photos and videos of all the important components of your vehicle through the following checks: pre-lift, walk-around, and road test, underhood check, tires and brake check, undercar inspection, and fluid leaks. Let's say that your vehicle's brakes are squeaking and you decide you want to schedule an appointment with us. You can either call our office to schedule your appointment or visit glenshawauto.com to request an appointment, where you can expect that one of our service advisors will reach out to you and confirm your request. During the appointment process, you'll be set up with a service advisor who will work with you throughout your process. During this call, he or she will offer you a shuttle service, a loaner vehicle, or schedule a pickup and drop off of your vehicle. When you arrive at our office, one of our service advisors will greet you and discuss the concerns that you're experiencing with your vehicle. They'll take down your phone number so they can reach out to you with the results of the courtesy digital inspection. After our certified technicians look over your vehicle, you will receive a text message with a link to a thorough AutoVitals digital inspection report. Within this report, your service advisor will include a written description of any and all items on your vehicle that are in good condition, but they will also include any issues with the vehicle and include actual photos of the malfunction or maintenance items found during the inspection process. In some cases, you may see a short video outlining the service that your vehicle is requiring. After you review the report, we ask that you give us a call at your earliest convenience so that our service advisors may review the report with you and provide any further explanation on the issues and discuss the repairs. Upon receiving the options, you will always have the opportunity to approve or decline any and all recommended work. You have 3 options for payment: at the shop when you arrive, before you arrive, over the phone, or on our website. Once your payment is approved and your repair is complete, you will receive a text message from us asking about your service experience. We appreciate the feedback you provide for us so that we can ensure our customer service is always top-notch. In addition, all the text, photos, and videos are stored onto your AutoVitals customer profile so that your vehicle's historical data is always accessible to you, which provides you value as a car owner or when it's time to sell your vehicle. We understand that you have many options when it comes to your vehicle's maintenance, and we appreciate that you choose Glenshaw Auto Service. We invite you to experience the Glenshaw Auto difference in the AutoVitals digital inspection process. Give us a call at 412-487-9902 to schedule your appointment.